国际上要紧来关心美国总统 Trump 日白伫咧白宫接见乌克兰的总统泽伦斯基，不过两个人会谈讲甲未拄好，互相咧对呛。Trump 批评泽伦斯基拢无感谢美国援助，因为泽伦斯基是质疑 Trump 和杀人凶手杜西亚徛共阵。双方敲白平 ，Trump 阁要求泽伦斯基要离开白宫，落尾并无来签署扩散协议。
乌克兰总统泽伦斯基日白去白宫，甲美国总统川普见面。原本按算会签署一项经济协议，允准美欧合作开采乌克兰稀土。美国是主导赶紧结束战争，不过两人伫媒体头前讲话却意外回报。
From the very beginning of the war, we've been alone, and we are thankful. I said thanks
you haven't
in
been
this
alone.
cabinet,
you
and
haven't
not
been
only
alone.
in this cabinet.
We gave you, through
I
this
said
stupid president, $350 billion. If you didn't
speak.
have our military equipment, this war would have been over in 2 weeks.
In 3 days, I heard it from Putin. In 3 days.
It's going to be a very hard thing to do business like this. I tell you.
Just say thank you.
I said a lot of times thank you to American people.
Accept that there are disagreements, and let's go litigate those disagreements rather than trying to fight it out in the American media when you're wrong.
泽伦斯基即期川普偏向 Russia， 伊莫甲杀人凶手妥协。川普强调，若无甲俄乌两边拢搞好，根本无法度达成和平协议。凡是指出乌克兰咧面临士兵欠缺的问题时阵，泽伦斯基强调，美国计还感受袂到战争的冲击，不过未来就会感受到。川普回应美国咧解决问题，泽伦斯基无权决定美国安怎感受。
You've allowed yourself to be in a very bad position, and he happens to be right about it.
From the very beginning of the war,
You're not in a good position. You don't have the
the
cards right now. With us, you start having
not playing
cards.
cards.
But right now, you don't.
I'm very
You're playing
serious,
cards.
Mr. President.
You're
I'm
playing
very
cards.
serious.
You're gambling
I'm the
with the
president
lives
in
of
war.
millions of people.
You think-
You're gambling with World War III.
会谈40多分钟，最后双方无欢喜诉说去。川普阁下令爱泽伦斯基离开。安森古现会后记者会取消，双方也无签署扩散协议。共和党参议员格瑞姆认为乌克兰坚定朋友要批评泽伦斯基，若无做出根本性改变，就要落台。民主党参议员是认为这场会面是一摆政治性伏击。会后，欧洲真济领导人拢表示，乌克兰袂孤单，强调会甲乌克兰徛做伙。公视新闻陈伟珍报道。